guys, I gotta swap some stuff around. I want to get the Mustang back into the workshop, so I thought it'd be fun to do a quick little time-lapse video, moving everything around, getting the Mustang in the shop. So first part of this you'll see will be here, which is outside the workshop. The workshop is behind you right now. As I get the car out so I can get the doors open, then I'll move the camera inside to the workshop so you can actually see both bays and see me pushing the car in. So anyways, that'd be fun. Hopefully you can see okay, and talk to you soon. See ya. So I had a little time left over in my power hour. Rust. It's on the surface, but look at that pitting. That's where there's no pitting. That's pitting. Itty bitty hole. And the piece de la resistance. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Yeah. Hold on, let me get rolling. That's not gonna work. It's about a 1/4 inch. Yeah, about a 1/4 inch thick. And you can see I explored there, and it's the same. I explored down here, and it's the same. And I explored down here, and it's the same. So, a 1/4 inch, guys, from basically here down, all on these lips, all made out of Bondo.
I love my car.